Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am back again with an interesting video tutorial, where you will learn a circular grid method, and with this grid method, how you can make this type of logo. So watch till the end very carefully. Let's get started. First, take the ellipse tool, and draw a circle with the stroke color. Copy it to the right, and make 6 copy of it. Then select all the circle, copy it down, and make 6 copy by pressing Ctrl and D. Now take the shape builder tool, swap the color from fill to stroke, and create 2 shape like this. Select this 2 created shape, and move it, then delete all the circle from the artboard. Select one of this shape, right-click, transform, rotate, and set the angle size, 16 degrees, and press OK. Set the stroke color none. Now duplicate the shape, and place it down. Press Ctrl and D to see the outline mode so that you make it perfect. Now select both shape, take the reflect tool, press Alt from the keyboard, and click here. OK, we create V shape successfully. Now let's work with the shape what we made first. Rotate it 45 degrees, and place it over the V shape. Then duplicate it, and place on another side. As you can see, there is some excess shape here. We will cut this off by the shape builder tool. That's perfect. Now select all the shape, go to the Pathfinder panel, and unite it. Now we will create some circle over the main shape. And copy it all over the curve. And then we will create a small circle, to give some highlight on it. Now select all the gray circle, go to Edit, Copy, and Paste in back, then move it right side 2 pixel, and set a darker color. Maybe we can down it a bit. That's perfect. Now select the big shape, go to Edit, Copy, and Paste in back, move it to the right side 3 or 4 pixel, and then set it a gray color. OK, that's good, our tech-related strawberry is done, and now let's work with leaves. Take the pen tool, and draw some leaves. Reflect it to other side. Then make a middle side leaves with Interact to circle. Select all the shape and unite it from Pathfinder. Now place the leaf over the main shape. Select the back shape with the Direct Selection tool, go to the Object, Path, Offset Path, and set the 6 pixel, and then minus the excess part from the leaves. And now make some highlighted shape here. Reflect the shadow part to the another side. And lastly work on the middle part. So this is our final logo. Now let's make color on it. For the color, I will suggest you to use uigradients.com. They has a huge collection of ready-made color, don't forget to check them out. So first select the big black shape, take the eyedropper tool, and take this color. Then select the highlighted area, and take this color with the eyedropper tool. Then again do the same, just like me. To get the best result, I will suggest you to see the video 2-3 times, and then practice it for sure. So this is end of this tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to leave and like subscribe. See you in the very next video. Have a great day.